Technology has a way of changing things. The printing press changed the way we read. The phonograph changed the way we listen. VHS changed the way we watch. Isn't it time technology changed the way we experience art?
If they can 3D print organs, we should be able to print a painting.
This is general public. They're gonna bring great art into your home.
I mean, I want to share all my art with everybody. Our goal is to take one artist's work, to scan it, and then reproduce it as closely as possible to the original. And we did it.
Capturing all the brushstrokes, bringing all of the texture there.
And experiencing a painting as it was painted.
And it elicits that feeling, that emotion that you get when you look at an original work of art.
So not just one person can own it, but as many people who want to own it can own it and enjoy it the way it was intended. I hope you're rolling, because this is gold.
This is good.
Good.
This is good.